What if you could wake up and know that money was coming in from several different places, even before you've had your morning coffee? That's exactly what I set out to build, multiple income streams that work even when I don't. In this video, I'm sharing exactly how I built them from scratch, with no huge startup capital, no fancy degrees, and no magic formula, just strategy, consistency, and time. Here's the truth. Relying on one income source is risky. A job, a single client, or one business, if that disappears, so does your safety net. But when you build multiple streams of income, you protect yourself and multiply opportunities. Think of it like financial insurance. If one slows down, the others keep flowing. My first stream started with freelancing. I had no money, so I used my time and skills. I learned simple online skills, writing, design, voiceover, free on YouTube. Then I offered them on Fiverr and Upwork. Within weeks, I was earning my first few $100s. That income became my foundation, the seed money for my next streams. Next came affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions for recommending products or services you use. I created honest reviews and tutorials for tools I already loved, investing apps, AI tools, digital services. Over time, those videos and posts started making money on their own. The beauty? Once the content is up, it keeps earning with almost no extra work. Then I built digital products, ebooks, templates, and online resources. I realized that if I could teach something once, I could sell that knowledge forever. I used Canva to design templates, and Gumroad to sell them. Each time someone downloaded one, I got paid, even while traveling or sleeping. Once I had consistent income, I started investing in dividend stocks. These are companies that pay part of their profits back to you. I reinvested every payout, and over time, those small dividends turned into monthly cash flow. It's slow, but powerful. Your money starts working harder than you. My fifth and most powerful stream is content plus automation. I use YouTube, blogs, and AI tools like ChatGPT and InVideo to create educational content that brings ad revenue, affiliate clicks, and digital sales, all on autopilot. Once you set up systems, automated emails, scheduled content, repurposed clips, your income works 24/7.
If this is inspiring you to build your own income streams, hit like and subscribe. It really helps this channel grow and keeps videos like this coming.
Let's recap how it all fits together. Start with freelancing to earn seed money. Add affiliate income for passive commissions. Create digital products to scale your skills. Invest in dividend stocks for long-term growth. Automate everything with content systems. That's how I built multiple income streams, from zero to full financial freedom. Ready to start building your own income streams? Check the links in the description below for my favorite tools, brokerages, and digital platforms to get started today. Subscribe for weekly videos on passive income and financial freedom, because your future deserves more than one paycheck.